Hello and welcome. This video is part of a training series about how to create successful squeeze pages. This is the second video in the training series. In this video, we will be setting up what is called a success page or a thank you page. There are 3 pages that we have to create: the squeeze page, the success page, and the download page, and there is an optional page, called a bridge page or an interim page. We want to take our visitors from point A to point B and point C and so on. If this seems confusing or intimidating, it is not. We are simply creating a path for our visitors to follow. The path is often referred to as a funnel. The good news is that funnel building is easy, as you are about to see. Our number 1 goal is new subscribers. It trumps all else. When our visitor lands on our squeeze page, what we want, above all else, is their email address and for them to join our list. In the first video, we covered how to acquire a free incentive, which we can use to induce our visitors to join our list and to give us their email addresses. And we covered how to upload our incentive and an image of our incentive. You will find a link below to that video if you have not seen as yet. When our visitor joins our list, when that happens, our new subscriber should be brought to what is called a thank you page, or to a bridge page and then a thank you page. In this video, we will be sending them to our thank you page. Although a bridge page is optional, a bridge page is a way for you to help your visitors get to know you, to like you, and to trust you. A bridge page can boost immediate sales, open rates, and add-on sales. Although we are skipping over it at the moment, I do not want you to take a bridge page lightly. As mentioned, we will talk more about a bridge page in later videos. This video, again, is about our thank you or success page. Physically creating a success page is very easy. We will get to that soon. What is most important is your understanding. There are a lot of people that learn how to build funnels, but most of their funnels do not work. There are a few people that actually understand funnels. They are the ones that are going to get results. I want you to be one of those people. If you want that also, please keep watching. I am going to present this to you a bit differently, specifically, backwards. We will begin with our success page, already made, so you can see all the components, more importantly, so you can see how each component works, how all these components fit and work together, so you will understand the process. Then we will cover the actual building or creation part. When we send our new subscriber to our thank you page should let them know 8 things. What most people do not realize is that our thank you page has a number of jobs to do, above and beyond saying thank you. By the way, I say new subscriber, but to be clear, they are not quite yet a subscriber. They still need to confirm their email address. If there is no confirmation, there is no new subscriber. So one of the most important jobs of our thank you page is to get our almost new subscriber to confirm their email address. This training is based on a double opt-in option, which Mr. P strongly recommends. This option helps to avoid spam complaints as well as to grow your list with real subscribers that are interested in your content and will open your emails. Instead of a quantity list, your result will be a quality list. A quality list is what you want. Some of the tasks that your thank you page can and should perform are to let your new subscribers know that an email has been sent to the address they provided, that their free gift is ready to be sent. Your thank you page needs to let your subscriber know that they need to open the email that they have just been sent and that they need to click on confirm, so they will receive their incentive. Also, you want them to know that they need to check their spam folder, if they do not see the email. There is more. Your thank you page should let them know who the email is from, such as you or your company. And you want them to know you or your company's email address. This address is whatever email address that you have set up. If you need help with setting up an address, it is super easy and fast. There will be a link to a video that explains how to do this, below. In addition, you want to include white listing information, which is what your visitor needs to do, in order to be sure that your emails will be put into their inbox and not sent to spam. I also recommend that your thank you page includes a free surprise bonus. You will see why that is so helpful later. What you are seeing is an example of what your thank you page might look like. You will see how each part on this thank you page will help you to get your almost new subscriber to stay on the page, to confirm their address, to check their spam folder if your email is not in their inbox, to whitelist your address, and much more. In the next video, you are going to get a look at the overall process and each of the 8 parts. If you want to master email marketing, as mentioned, you must understand the process and the psychology behind it. You will also discover what your thank you page does not include, which is the incentive. That is a no-no. You will see why in future videos, along with why creating a download page is your best option. If you are finding value in the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. If this kind of content interests you, if you would like to know as soon as the next video in this series is published, allow me to invite you to join the channel, so Mr. P can let you know each time a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this next.